ये हम लोग क्लास 8 बिहार बोर्ड का लेसन नंबर, जो इंग्लिश का बुक है उसके लेसन नंबर 2 को हम रीड करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका नाम है स्लीप। इसको हम वर्ड बाय वर्ड रीड करेंगे ताकि हम हर एक वर्ड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन अच्छे तरीके से सीख जाए। तो आप इसके लिए क्या करेंगे, मुझे भी आप देखेंगे कि कैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है, खास करके लिप्स को कि कैसे लिप्स गोल हो रहा है, तो और आपको अच्छे तरीके से आप सीख पाएंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले सबसे टॉप से करेंगे स्लीप, उसके नीचे है वार्म। उसके बाद से आप देखेंगे येलो वाले बॉक्स का पहले हम रीड करते हैं, वाई डू वी स्लीप, डू ऑल पर्सन्स स्लीप फॉर द सेम amount of time? Do you ever have dreams? If yes, narrate the dreams which you like or dislike most. Why do you think we have dreams? नो, अब देखें नीचे से शुरू करते हैं, नोबडी से। हाँ, नोबडी नोज वाई वी स्लीप बट वी ऑल नीड टू। स्लीप हेल्प्स आवर बॉडी एंड ब्रेन डेवलप एंड ग्रो। आवर बॉडी नीड्स स्लीप to stay healthy ध्यान रखिएगा, healthy and fight sickness. During sleep our muscles, bones and skin can grow, and muscles, skin and other parts can fix injuries. Our brain needs sleep. Sleep helps our brain to remember what we learn. ध्यान रखिएगा, टीओ जो होता है यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बता दूँ हाईलाइट, ये जो टीओ होता है टीओ, तो इसको हम ट का भी प्रोनाउंसिएशन करते हैं, टू का भी करते हैं, टू का भी करते हैं, तीन प्रोनाउंसिएशंस है। तो आपको डाउट नहीं करना है, कंसोनेंट के पहले यहाँ पे ट हो जाता है, तो उतना रूल पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है। आपको केवल देखना है कि कैसे इसको रीड किया जा रहा है, कैसे प्रोनाउंस किया जा रहा है इसको, ठीक है। तो अगर हम इस पे चले, फिर से देखते हैं यहाँ पे, यहाँ ट, रिमेंबर व्हाट वी लर्न। इट ऑल्सो helps brain to pay attention and concentrate. There are no rules about how much sleep is necessary, but an average adult sleeps for 7 hours and 20 minutes. About 8% of adults are happy with 5 hours or less of sleep, and 4% want 10 hours or more. Children at the age of 5 to 12 years need 10 to 11 hours of sleep each night. Babies need between 14 to 18 hours, whereas the elderly need less than they did when young. They often take a nap during the day. There are 5 stages in one sleep cycle. Each sleep cycle takes about 90 minutes. The sleep cycle is repeated 5 or 6 times 5 or 6 times during the night. During the stages 1 and 2, you first fall asleep but are not yet in a deep sleep. During the stages 1 and 2, you first fall asleep but are not yet in a deep sleep. During the stages 3 and 4, you are in a deep sleep. Your breathing and heart rate slow down and your body is motionless. During the 5th stage, your brain is active and you dream. You dream during the stage of sleep called rapid eye movement or REM. During the REM, your eyes move under your eyelids rapidly. Normal sleep is made up of 2 alternating phases. Phase 1 involves no dreaming. Usually it occurs in the early part of the night. Phase 2 involves dreaming. It occurs mostly in the later part of the night for varying periods of time. If you wake up during this phase, you will almost certainly remember your dreams. When we sleep, the bodily functions slow down. Body temperature falls. This is because our body keeps to a regular 24-hour cycle during which body temperature rises and falls at fixed times. Normally, body temperature is lowest in the middle of the night and the highest in the afternoon. When you get enough sleep, you can pay attention better in school, be creative and think of new ideas, fight sickness so you stay healthy, be in a good mood and get along well with friends and family. If you don't get enough sleep, you can forget what you learn, have trouble making decisions, be in a bad mood, have trouble playing games, have trouble listening to parents and teachers, and be less patient with friends, brothers and sisters. Sometimes everyone has difficulty in sleeping, but if you miss a couple of hours of sleep, no harm is done. You may feel tired and irritable the next day, but the body soon makes up for the loss. However, if you try to stay awake night and night, you soon begin to behave strangely. You lose the ability to concentrate your from here we read यहाँ से sometimes everyone has difficulty in sleeping, but if you miss a couple of hours of sleep, no harm is done. You may feel tired and irritable the next day, but the body soon makes up for the loss. However, if you try to stay awake night after night, you soon begin to behave strangely. You lose the ability to concentrate and your judgment gets impaired. You begin to imagine strange things and your behavior becomes deranged. A lot of people have serious sleep problems. Some people find that they cannot sleep. Some wake up in the middle of the night or too early in the morning. There are a number of causes. Worry and depression are the most common causes. All kinds of things in the environment can affect sleep. Noise, light, heat, cold or new surroundings. Pain in illness can also keep people awake. Most of us can accept temporary sleeplessness without seeking help. Many people become addicted to sleeping pills, but sleeping pills do not cure the disorder of sleeplessness called insomnia. It's better to avoid them if we can. It is much better to identify the problem and remove it. I hope कि आप रीड कर रहे होंगे या इसको आप रीड करेंगे। सही से रीड करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है। ये वर्ड वाइज रीडिंग था। इसके बाद मैं आपको ग्रुपिंग में रीड करना बताऊंगा कि कैसे ग्रुपिंग में रीड करते हैं, क्या रीडिंग का तरीका होता है। थैंक यू।